Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Bluetooth problem if your Bluetooth is crashing all the time or not connecting to the Bluetooth devices, how you can connect it and how you can solve this problem in Vivo smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to swipe up and go to the settings option, and here it is a system. Go to system settings and here is a reset option. Just there you can see Bluetooth, reset Bluetooth. You have to simply go to reset and make a password and then reset setting. And friends, you can see the Bluetooth setting is reset now, and now your device is will be connected. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.